Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is the permanent magnet, a magnet that keeps its magnetism without external help. By the end of this video, you'll know the difference between permanent and induced magnets. A permanent magnet produces its own magnetic field continuously without needing a current or external source. Made from materials like steel, neodymium, or ferrite, it has fixed north and south poles. The magnetism is intrinsic to the material, caused by aligned electron spins in its atoms. Three things. 1. Permanent magnets stay magnetic for a long time. 2. They can be demagnetized by heating, hammering, or strong magnetic fields. 3. And different from induced magnets, which only behave as magnets when an external field is nearby. A common slip, confusing permanent with induced magnetism. An iron paperclip near a bar magnet becomes a temporary magnet, that's induced. Remove the bar magnet and the paperclip loses its magnetism. Quick example, a fridge magnet is permanent. A paperclip attracted to it is induced. Disconnect the paperclip from the fridge magnet and it loses its magnetism almost completely. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across physics, maths, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.